Hi guys, what this oil you are seeing, this is Moringa oil slash Neem oil. Moringa and Neem oil, okay? So this is the two leaf here, the Neem and the Moringa. All you need to do is to remove the leaf, okay? You do it this way, the way I'm doing it. The way you are seeing it on your screen. You After that, you pound it, okay? Let it soft, not that soft, but you pound it in a mortar, the two together. Why I did not make the oil separately is because this process is still the same. Like the method of making neem oil is the same. Like everything is same. Okay, this is it, and you are seeing it on the fire. I've put it on the fire already. Okay, after you put it on the fire, make sure you will be stirring it this way, the way you are seeing it. If you did not stir it, all everything, all your oil will be on the floor. Okay, everything will pour down. So you got to be doing it this way. So after that, you see that after you started doing it this way, everything will go down. It will dry down to this. You see that everything has fried, both the moringa and the neem leaf. Okay guys, so guys, if you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more video. Okay guys, I love you and I will never take your love for granted. Thank you so much for your support. As for my returning subscriber, you are welcome. Subscribe for more tips. Okay guys, look at the oil, this moringa and neem. That is the two oil, moringa and neem oil. Okay, look at it guys, you can see so green. Okay, for massive hair growth. Okay guys, so and if you did not understand, you want me to explain more or do the full video, you can leave it in the comment section. Bye.